dong mah kacamata Robby. Intinya kacamata mama udahlah. Intinya kacamata mama udahlah. Riang waras, that simple. Riang waras, that simple.
According to Cambridge Dictionary, the word hortatory adjective means trying to strongly encourage or persuade someone to do something. Hortatory exposition is a type of spoken or written text that is intended to persuade the listeners or readers that something should or should not happen or be done. Let's recall the social foundation, structure, and language filter of hortatory exposition. Number 1. Social foundation or hortatory exposition. The social foundation or purpose or hortatory exposition is to persuade the readers or listeners that something should or should not happen or be done. In simple way, hortatory exposition persuades the writers to do what the thesis recommends. Now consider the following example. Maintaining giftly in the digital world. Thesis: Internet technology is transforming human interaction, but digital freedom must be balanced with ethics etiquette to maintain a healthy and safe digital space. Without ethics, the internet can become a vehicle for hatred and conflict. Argument: the internet is a public space, but privacy rights must still be upheld. Upload your own or other sensitive data without permission. Doxing can trigger cybercrime such as fraud and identity theft. Ethics require user to verify information before sharing it. Misinformation is not only misleading but can also induce social division and mass fear. Even if you don't meet face to face, the people you talk to online are human beings with feelings. Abusive language, cyberbullying, and hate speech can leave a damaging digital footprint that difficult to erase. Recommendation: for every internet user is advised to always apply the thank principle before posting anything, whether it is true, helpful, inspiring, necessary, and in the government and educational institution also need to continue improving the public digital literacy. Number 3. Language filter of hortatory exposition. E. Focuses on generic human and non-human participants. Example: learning etiquette rules. B. Expression of giving opinion such as I think, in my opinion, and I personally believe. Example: I think we should learn etiquette rules for some reasons. C. Simple present tense. Example: for online students, all of the communication takes place online. D. Mental process. To state what the writer think of rails about the issue. Include thinking frame, choose a realist think and feel. E. Material process. To state what happens. To state material process, we use action verb. An action verb is a word that shows what someone or something is doing, such as right, and deep. F. Use of relational process to state what is or should be, such as become, is, or seems, it's. G. Abstract nouns such as behavior. H. Modal verb and modal adverb. Modal adverbs that are often used of certainly, undoubtedly, and probably. Here are some modals we should know. 1. Advice should ought to. 2. Suggestion can should shall. 3. Obligation must. 4. Prohibition mustn't. 5. Lack of necessity needn't. 6. Permission may, could, can. 7. Request can, could, may. 8. Ability can, could. E. Temporal connectives to show the list of given arguments, such as firstly, secondly, and finally. G. Phrases of giving example, such as for example, such as, or for instance. K. Emotive and evaluative language. Emotive words are words that evoke a strong emotional reaction in the majority of readers or listeners. However, evaluative language is used to persuade the audience using words with measurable adjectives. The example of emotive words are alarmed, worried. The example of evaluative words are effective, confiding, successful, and comfortable.
Thank you for listening to the material I explained.